Voodoo Larry, are you having fun?
Always, man.
I have had so many people like, dude, that's Voodoo Larry. I followed him since I was 12 years old,
I know,
man.
right?
He's here.
Rockabilly Bash. It is the pedal car races. Every year,
It's tough to
we crown a champion pedal car race.
keep up with everything that's going on at this.
We need 4 drivers. We need 4 drivers. Lady, you're going to get some chance at racing excellence.
So you down to my people. It's got the Voodoo Larry's in the house, baby. He does some serious chopping stuff. There's a, yeah, and it's gotten a lot better than metalwork has in the past 10 years. Yeah. But there's a guy north of Bartonsville and he tries to do that kind of stuff, but it's all kind of a little cobbled up. Gino Walker.
About that, the Dracula that he has.
Oh, yeah.
He wants to sell it, and he wants 85 for it.
Right.
And I'm like, if I could get recovered on my money, I wouldn't mind buying it.
Right. fun?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
More than last year.
Voodoo Larry, are you having fun?
Always, man.
I have had so many people like, dude, that's Voodoo Larry. I followed him since I was 12 years old,
I know,
man.
right?
He's here.
I'm having a blast.
That's cool.
It's a good show. It's a good time.
Right on.
And I'm happy to be shopping at a pretty nice Oldsmobile here at the show. And my first time here.
Right.
You know, I've never been. Daryl's been inviting me for 20 years, and I haven't been able to come out.
Well,
next year I'm hoping to bring a couple cars here.
Definitely.
I'm building a crazy station wagon. I don't know if you've seen that.
Yeah, I watch you cut it, get the back glass open. Yeah.
Around the skirt. Yeah. Pretty crazy.
Cool stuff. Let's get back to it.
All right, brothers. Thank you.
Changing some of the things I do this year.
I got
Trying to
you.
get what my youngest is holding up to SEMA this year, so I'm going to take her to that. I'm going to try to get some more of that.
There you go. That'd be awesome, man. Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey, you made it.
How's it going, man?
All right, how are you
Too
doing?
bad.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
You bet.